You're a superhero.
I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had.
Today, in this video, I will show you all 59 Chinese apps that indie banned. So, let's start this video. First, TikTok.
Thank God, little homie, it's Friday.
Second, Share It.
Let me get it on a Friday.
Third, Kwai.
Thank God, little homie, it's Friday.
Fourth, UC Browser.
I got to the club and it's turned the fuck
Fifth,
up.
Barito Map.
What a surprise. Look at that girl. Damn.
Sixth, Shein.
She thinks she's a young Madonna. I'll give that 7 or 8 at the best.
Seventh, Clash of Kings.
10 if I'm drinking as late as the chefs. I'll say I'm impressed when I
Eighth,
see
DU
someone
Battery
standing
Saver.
up. Not the ones that keep on handing out booty like change.
Ninth, Hello.
Moody and strange, like Judge Judy on stage. What?
10th, Like.
I hope you're proud of me. I've been undoubtedly spending much more than my salary offers me.
11th, You Can't Make Up.
I'm spending all of my dough.
12th, Me Community.
All this money that I ever had, I put that shit
13th, CM Browser.
12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn.
14th, Virus Cleaner.
Woman and fine drinks and I'm trying to make the shit last.
15th, a Post Browser. 16th, Romwe.
Let me get it on a Friday.
17th, Club Factory.
Thank God, little homie, it's Friday.
18th, Newsdog. 19th, Beauty Plus. 20th, WeChat. 21st, UC News. 22nd, QQ Mail. 23rd, Weibo. 24th, Zender. 25th, QQ Music.
Wait, where the fuck is my phone?
26th, QQ News Feed. 27th, Bigger Live. 28th, Selfie City. 29th, Mail Master.
It's Friday.
30th, Parallel Space. 31st, Me Video Call. 32nd, WeSync. 33rd, ES File Explorer. 34th, Without Video. 35th, My2. 36th, We Go Video. 37th, New Video Status.
I'm spending all of my dough.
38th, DU Recorder.
All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on
39th, Vault, Hide. 40th, Cache Cleaner, DU App Studio. 41st, DU Cleaner. 42nd, DU Browser. 43rd, Hogo, Play with New Friends. 44th, Cam Scanner. 45th, Clean Master. 46th, Wonder Camera. 47th, Photo Wonder. 48th, QQ Player. 49th, We Meet. 50th, Sweet Selfie. 51st, Vibe Translate. 52nd, Be Made. 53rd, QQ International.
12 o'clock and I'm fucked up.
54th, QQ Security Center. 55th, QQ Launcher.
It's Friday.
56th, U Video. 57th, Reply, Status Video. 58th, Mobile Legends. 59th, DU Privacy.
It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday.